1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One gorilla. One gorilla, a magical kind of counting book. Here's a list of things I love. One gorilla. Two butterflies among the flowers and one gorilla. One, two butterflies. Three budgerigars in my house and one gorilla. One, two, three budgerigars. Four squirrels in the woods and one gorilla. One, two, three, four squirrels. Five pandas in the snow and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five pandas. Six rabbits in a field and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five, six rabbits. Seven frogs by the fence and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven frogs. Eight fish in the sea and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight fish. Nine birds among the leaves and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine birds. Ten cats in my garden and one gorilla. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 cats. Ten cats, 9 birds, 8 fish, 7 frogs, 6 rabbits, 5 pandas, 4 squirrels, 3 budgerigars, 2 butterflies. But where is my gorilla? Ah, there is.
아빠,
음.
나비는 원래 애벌레도 변신하는 거예요? 아빠, 고릴라가 여기도 있네 팬더.
그래, 팬더 한번 세보자.
아빠, 고릴라가 고양이 같아. 와우. 고릴라 맨날 바나나만 먹어. 바나나 좋아하나 보다. 잘했지?
One gorilla. Bye now.
Bye now.